Day 2 of the WWPA Championship begins with UC Davis playing Loyola Marymount in the first semifinal game. LMU's Milton Mitrovic scored 3 goals, while Emmanuel D'Estasio got 2 goals for the Lions. Meanwhile, LMU goalkeeper Kirk Wallenius achieved 11 saves. WWPA Player of the Year Bernie Rogers hit a hat-trick for the Aggies, and Davis senior Tyler Elliott contributed 2 goals. Goalkeeper Philip Bates made 12 saves. UC Davis beats Loyola Marymount 9-7, advances to the semifinals of the Western Water Polo Association Conference Championship Tournament. Up next, UC San Diego plays Santa Clara University. Santa Clara University tallied 4 goals, and goalkeeper Matt Pritchett totaled 9 saves. Trains Tommy Friedrich and David Higginson scored hat tricks as goalkeeper Cameron Ravenbach made 14 saves. David Higginson and Tommy Friedrich each scored 3 goals, giving San Diego an 8-4 win over Santa Clara. Tomorrow, San Diego plays Davis in the WWPA Championship Finals.